Can you introduce yourself?
Good morning, ma'am, sir. My name is Maria Cholina de la Torre. I am 31 years old, single mother. I have two children, all girls, 5 years old and 11 years old. I am a college undergraduate.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have four brothers and one sister, and I am the youngest.
What is your working experience as housemaid before?
My working experience as a housemaid before, ma'am, year 2018 to 2021 here in the Philippines is to taking care of children, one boy, one girl, the girl age 6 years old, and the boy age 12 years old. I help to do their homework and I do also cleaning, ironing, marketing, and laundering.
Do you know how to take care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if baby is crying?
If the baby is crying, ma'am, I will check first the diaper. If it is wet, I will change it. I will sing or I took a baby in a soothing voice. I will offer a pacifier or feed the milk. And lastly, I will check the temperature.
Do you have a long patience for kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if children is naughty?
Naughty children is just normal, ma'am. All they need is your attention. Give them something to do or to play. Give them something to play or other activities that they can make them busy.
Okay. Why do you want to come to Hong Kong and who will take care of your children?
I want to come to Hong Kong ma'am, because I want to earn money. I want to finish the studies of my children and also I want to support my family financially.
Who will take care of your children?
My mother and sister mom will take care of my children.
Describe your positive attitude.
I am a helpful, kind, and honest mom.
Could you sing a nursery song for kids?
Yes, ma'am. Baba black sheep, have you what you want? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame. One for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba black sheep, have you what you want? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame. One for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, ma'am, because I have dogs and cats in our home.
Any food doesn't eat. Are you allergic to any food?
I eat everything, ma'am, except spicy.
What food can you cook?
I cook native food or Filipino food, but I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
Can you accept no day off but we will be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you accept take your elder person and assist their needs?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to cut hair short before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No?
Can you promise not hair coloring and nail art?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if I will given a chance to work with you, I'll do my best to serve and perform my duties as your helper. I am honest, helpful, hardworking, and responsible. Thank you.